These nuts.
Ah, suck me harder. Oh wait a minute.
That was bad.
Yeah, it's
God damn it.
Yo, what?
like how I heard
Lexus.
cut my life into pieces.
Lexus.
My last resort.
Fucking
Bang,
oh
bang,
damn.
Oh shit. That's pretty cool.
Actually, that's like a big ass dildo fight. It's a big ass black dildo in
A
midair.
black ditto. It's a black ditto.
Dude, that was a freaking, it landed like, that was a perfect, that was perfect execution. That's what that
What the
was.
fuck is all that shit? It was a black ditto, Brandon.
It's black dildo?
Black ditto, bitch.
Exactly.
Oh, it's a fucking trash.
That more wood.
He's gonna shoot. Is that all?
I guess that's it.